Vendor Dashboard. The default page after login is the Vendor Dashboard, which shows real-time information and updates for open, negotiating or awarded tenders. The dashboard information is split into different sections. There are 4 main sections. The first is the outstanding tasks. This section lists individual projects that require the vendor's attention. This could be, for example, negotiations, imminent deliverables, or unread messages. The next is the favorites. Any tender that has been marked as favorite will be listed in this section. Next is the recent projects. Any tender that has been opened recently will show in this section. The number of recent projects that are shown will depend on what has been set in the iSpec system settings. Finally, the last is the user help section. The iSpec administrator may have added helpful links to guide you through the tender process, for example linking to the online help manual. At the top of the page are the iSpec menus. The first is All Tenders, with submenus for tenders in different phases. The library is next, with submenus for vendor templates that are under construction or available. This menu will only show if vendor templates have been added in a template or tender, otherwise it will be hidden. Next is the Public Tenders, with submenus for public tenders in different phases. The Help menu has various links to support channels. Finally, the User menu with submenus to edit the vendor profile and log out of iSpec.